What's up guys, and welcome to your 7th Java programming tutorial part 1. And in this tutorial it's all about custom classes. As up till now you have been using one class just to print out everything. In this tutorial we will now use multiple classes to do our code, and from now on you will be using more than one class. In the next tutorial after this tutorial I will be making a test class to print out all the information in this class. So let's start Java programming tutorial 7 part 1. Yep. So click this, make a class. We already have a project as always, and this is going to be called game. You don't need this because we're not testing at the minute. So finish. Before we start off, we need our fields, constructors, and methods. So fields, constructors, can't spell today, constructors, methods. In our fields, we need to put in something called private. What is private? Private means only you have access to the code. Title, we always need a title because it's a game. Declare the fields. So private, also private, int, the score, and that's it for the fields. Now the constructors. Public means anybody can access it, so game. Title equals, at the minute I'll just give that because we don't know the title. We will be giving it a title in the next tutorial, the next class, the game test class. So the score at the minute is, we have no idea, so we'll just give it 0. What's happening there? Oh, I think it was might just change that to lowercase s. Public game, the next one, public game string a int b. You can use any letters, for instance Z, Q, P, S, whatever, it's up to you. Title equals, what was the title? A, because string a, title, string title, whatever. Next one, score equals b, integer b, int score. You see the correlation. And that's it for the constructors. Now we're on the methods. So public string, public, we need a get. Now the get method, get title, parentheses, curly braces, return the title. It will just give the title back to you on the screen. There you go. Now we also need a set title. So public void set title string a. Now you put, let me just copy this, string a, put it in there, curly braces, return that, and title equals a. So I have it here, just get it from there, copy this, put it in there, and there you have it for the first part. Now the next part is public int get score, curly braces, returns the score. And now the next one is, might just make this neater. The next one is public void set score int b and then curly braces, and then score equals B. There you have it. And last but not least, you always need a toString method. So public string toString parentheses curly braces return. We're returning all this string, game colon bracket square bracket title equals, sorry, not plus, equals, close the string off, plus your title plus speech marks score equals, and then after that plus, you'll see why I'm doing this in the next tutorial, score plus speech marks square brackets. There you have it, the toString method. Command A, Command S, and that's all there is for this tutorial. So we started off with nothing, and this is where we're on with our fields, constructors and methods, declaring it, initializing them, giving the get method, the set method, and the toString method. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial, Java Tutorial 7 Part 2, where we will be printing all this out with another class called Game Test. Alright, thank you for watching this tutorial.